Solve for x. The absolute value of 3x minus 5 is equals to 7. When we talk about the absolute value of a number, it simply means the number when you disregard the sign. So, for instance, I have the absolute value of minus 4 is equals to 4. When you disregard the sign, the absolute value is that number. The absolute value of a plus 4 is 4. The sign here is a plus 4, but the absolute value is equals to the number. So the idea here is when you're asked to find the absolute value of a number, you disregard the sign and your answer becomes the value, the number itself. Let's take, for instance, I'm asked to find the value of x. Let's say the absolute value of x is equals to 3, for instance. What is now the value of x? Well, to find the value of x, we'll say that our x have two possible values. It's either x is equals to plus 3 or x equals to a minus 3. If we substitute the value of x here, that would have been the absolute value of 3. The absolute value of plus 3 is a 3. Or you substitute the value of x, the absolute value of minus 3 is a 3. So when x is plus 3, the absolute value is 3. When x is minus 3, the absolute value is 3. And so there are two possible values of x. So the lesson here is, when you are given the absolute value of an unknown to be a given value, then it could either be a positive value or a negative value. That given value could either be a positive value or a negative value. So now let's get back to this problem. We want to solve this. The question is, solve for x, given that the absolute value of 3x minus 5 is equals to 7. So let's solve for this. Now, based on the idea, this is going to be 3x minus 5 equals to a plus 7, or 3x minus 5 equals to a minus 7. And so we solve this linearly. We have 3x is equals to 7 plus 5. For this is going to be 3x equals to minus 7 plus 5. I'm solving the two equations together. And so here I have 3x equals to 12. And x will be equals to 12 over 3, which is equals to 4. On the other side, we have 3x equals to minus 2, and x equals to minus 2 over 3. And so these are the values of x. X is equals to 4, or x equals to minus 2 over 3. You can always check if your answer is correct or wrong. You can always check that. By the time you substitute x as 4 here, that will be 3 times 4. That's going to be 12 minus 5. And 12 minus 5 will give you absolute value of 7. And the absolute value of 7 is 7, which is the same as this value here. Or when you substitute your x as minus 2 over 3, this is 3x. So 3 times minus 2 over 3, that gives you minus 2. And so you have minus 5 equals to the absolute value, that's minus 7. And this equals to 7. So x is either a plus 4 or x equals to minus 2 over 3. Thank you for watching this video. So please click on the subscribe button for more beautiful and interesting video. Share with your loved ones, click the like, and then leave your comment below. I'm going to see you in the next video shortly. Bye-bye.